Hi, I'm Roger Mitek. Welcome back to our how-to series. In the next few videos, we're going to explore how to pour re-fermented beers. And very specifically today, we're going to talk about a traditional Belgian pouring method. And Belgians are very specific in the way that they want beers poured. And there's a certain finesse and, I guess, regalness to the way this beer is poured. They don't want to hear any sounds. So you have to pour very, very gently. We're going to use a Trappist beer called Chimay Bleu. This is a Belgian quadruple. And I've got a Chimay glass, but I also have a shot glass. And I'll explain why I'm using the shot glass in a second. So the intent on pouring this traditional way is most Trappist beers and a lot of Belgian beers are re-fermented or bottle conditioned. They go through a secondary fermentation by adding yeast into the bottle. The reason the yeast goes in the bottle is for flavor, but its primary purpose is to remove any oxygen, increase shelf life of beer without having to pasteurize it. So there are some people that believe the yeast should be added automatically in, but traditional Belgian pouring methods indicate that the yeast should be provided to the consumer so that they can choose whether they want to add it or not. So let's open up. So we're going to open this very nicely, easily. We're going to tilt this on a 45-degree angle to start the pour, and we're going to go in slowly. Notice no glugging. It's going in nice and gently. We're getting a little bit more. So now I can afford to set the glass down straight and pour directly in. I'm getting a really nice foam on this, and I want to be really gentle so that I'm not rousing the yeast. So I've still got a little bit left in the glass, in the bottle. So what I want to do is swirl it around. And then I'm going to add it into this shot glass. And typically when you serve this in Belgium, you'll have the bottle presented, the glass that is poured presented, and the glass with the sediment in it and the yeast. And if you can see this, you can see how dark it looks. And it's really going to change the flavor and the profile. For me, I want this in the glass. So you can present it this way. And in North America, this is a challenging way of presenting because a lot of consumers and beer drinkers don't understand how this actually works. And it would take a lot to explain why the yeast is there. So I am going to just dump it in because that's what I want. Because I think it brings out more flavor, more body. It softens it a little bit, makes it a little less harsh. It reduces some of the carbon dioxide and that edge that you can get from CO2. And you get this beautifully poured Belgian quadruple. And every time it's the same process. It works out to a perfect pour every time. Cheers, à votre santé. That is so good.